Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I would do a little bit of an update on Project 406. I've getting quite a lot of work done to it today. As you can see, we've got the hub off. While I had the hub off, I noticed last year on the MOT, the front drop link was advised. So I've just get a new one of them to go on. Bit of a pain to get these off. Anybody who thinks doing a wheel bearing is a simple job, they are not. So I found the problem, because it was wrong. This maybe is for the guy who I bought the car. I think he might be watching this. So you can see all that noise was that little imperfection there on the bearing race. And judging by this, it's fallen to bits as you can see. Judging by the old bearing, which I've just had a job pressing out, you can see there the seal and everything's just giving way. Dirt and everything's getting in and the grease is getting out and the bearings have just almost disintegrated basically. So definitely a good job done. So tomorrow I need to get the new bearing pressed in, get it back on, new drop link on. I've been busy on with a few things actually. I'll just grab the light. Apart from at the front where I've been using the heat, I've got all the back coated in like a protection grease, so all the back subframe. I've just to help the car at the end of the day. Some rust has set in on the car, but it's really not as bad as it looks. It's just superficial. It's actually in really good condition for its age, this car. So just put a bit of protection on. Like I mentioned, it only cost us a few quid for the cans of grease. While I've been on, again, this is reference to the guy who owns the car about the handbrake. The handbrake was terrible on it, like it had to come all the way up. With these, you've got what you call, obviously, your brake caliper and your brake disc. But normally your brake caliper does your handbrake as well. But with these, you've got brake shoes within the drum. And you can see that hole there at the tip of the light. You can get in and adjust them. I don't know what on earth's happened inside these drums. They've just totally unadjusted themselves off. So I've readjusted them. And now the handbrake is absolutely perfect. So now the handbrake is working great. As you can see, all that's under there. This car is very advanced for a 20-year-old car. This here is an additive tank. This is your main fuel tank. And that's your additive tank. And it was loose, so I've secured it up because it was a bit to the point where it was nearly going to fall off. So now it's all been re-secured. The refill pipe and everything was loose. I've just tied that up out the way. So that's done. I welded a little patch. This stuff on here is cure rust, where I've ground it all down. And I cut out a section of the rotten metal and welded a patch in, grinded it down, and I've just put a little bit of body filler over just to make it look a bit nicer. So obviously I'm going to stone chip over that in black. It's just so it gives it a more smooth finish than having like an ugly kind of like patch on there. So that's done for the MOT. As you can see, the sills are solid. Don't worry about that, that's just superficial. The sills are perfect. The other thing I've done as well is the sill at this side had a repair done. And it didn't look very nice. I was like a seam weld on it, so I've ground the seam weld down smooth, and again, just where I had the filler out, just covered it. And the same on this side as well. That was the seam where it had joined. It just didn't look nice, so I've just ground it all down and put some filler on. This doesn't look very nice now, but that's actually the rust treatment that's on, just to keep the new metal the old metal from when it was welded right. Obviously I've done all the subframe, wax oiled that. I've done an oil and filter change. You can see the new oil filter up there. Obviously I've done the air filter and that. So yeah, I've been pretty busy today on it. Like I said, hopefully I'll get it built up. This is the new bearing ready to go on tomorrow. Original equipment FAG. That's like basically what, these would be fitted from new. So see what we get in the box. So you get the new, that's your bearing with the ABS ring on and all the various new bolts and that. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll just keep things up to date, hopefully. Oh, sorry, and if you notice the back tyres missing, it's getting 2 new back tyres put on as well. So all going well, come Friday, I'll get it MOT'd and it'll be on the road, and I'll get a few other little jobs done to it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Leave a comment below. And thank you for watching. Bye.